Your Honor, number one, we must stick to the core values of the PNP. Dapat ang pulis. It refers to four aims. Makadiyos, God-fearing, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa. Remember, Your Honors, when I applied for police or public basic recruit course as a PO1, sa pag-umpisa pa lang sa training, turuan ka na ng enlisted instructor mo na mag-utang. Tinawag na isyomatic. Hanggang matapos ka sa pag-training mo, utang, loan, utang. Tinuruan ka na hindi ka magbayad sa utang mo kasi wala ka ng pera, wala ka ng sweldo, wala ka ng sahod. Kasi ang gusto din ng PO1 na hindi siya pagtripan ng mga enlisted instructor, kung ano-ano na lang ang gusto ng mga enlisted instructor, sang-ayon ang PO1. Diyan pa lang sa training center, Your Honor, hindi mo na makikita na makadiyos ang polis. Pangalawa, dapat masali sa subject ng PPEC yung talagang prinsipyo na may Panginoon. Your Honors, involvement of concubinage and adultery sa law enforcer ang dami. Lawbreaker, law enforcer, lawbreaker. Kaya paano natin masolba ng problema when in fact in the police station and training center mismo, illegal gambling ang nag-umpisa ang mga senior officers. That's why I can say, Your Honors, Mr. Chair, that if we need to change the total PNP, the member of the PNP, it must be from the general down the line, not from the P1 up to the general. Yun ang nakikita ko, Your Honors, dapat talaga iisabuhay yung pro-God, yung God-fearing para makita mo ang commitment ng isang law enforcer na hindi takot mag-implement kasi ang katakutan lang niya ang Panginoon. Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, yung nabanggit ni Colonel Espinido, the first two for core values ng PNP, which is makadiyos at makatao, balikan ko lang yung nabanggit mo na kung ayaw ng Chief PNP ang illegal drugs, walang illegal drugs. Kung
Yes.
ayaw ng Chief PNP ang illegal gamblings, walang illegal gamblings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tanong, may idea ka pa ba kung itong makadiyos at makatao ay sabi-sabi lamang? Is there any option para ma-address yung problema?
Number one, Your Honors, yung personal commitment mo sa trabaho, mahalin mo yung trabaho, at saka sundin mo yung utos ng Panginoon because we all know that the laws of the land is referred to the Ten Commandments, the law of God. So, kung isasabuhay mo yung batas na yon, magsasabi tayo na totoo kang nagtrabaho na may Panginoon kasi hindi ka takot at saka alam mo kung anong batas na ipapairal o i-implement mo, enforce mo. Kasi yun na, sinasabuhay mo yung training mo, you love your training, you love your organization because you love first your God, Your Honor.
Are you aware, Colonel Espinido, na meron chaplain service sa PNP?
Yes, Your Honor.
Gusto mo bang sabihin na parang kulang yung kanilang trabaho?
Yes. Ang laking kulang, Your Honors, when in fact I have a picture, document in my chapel of Region 8, Police Regional Office 8. Makikita mo, Your Honors, ang kaibahan. Ang 10 Commandments na sa Exodus chapter 20, verse 3 to 17, iniba na. Iniba na ang 10 Commandments na nilagay sa harap ng chapel. So, doon pa, lawbreaker na ang pulis. Ba't iniba na ang 10 Commandments na binigay ng Panginoon sa Exodus 20, 3 to 17, Specific yun, from 1 to 4, love your God. From 5 to 10, love your neighbor as you love yourself. So doon nag-umpisa na. Nasa loob pa, may violation na, disobedient of the law. Ang kapulisan natin. Sa Pro 8, Your Honor, I can see to that.
Going back, so dapat tama ang ilalagay ng Chief PNP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, to proceed, Mr. Chair. In your previous assignments, naniniwala ka ba, Colonel Espinido, na kung bakit sinasabing maraming biktima sa EJK is dahil sa quota system ng PNP? Sa accomplishment?
Siguro, Your Honor.
Dagdag pa dito yung reward system?
Siguro, Your Honor.
Would you believe also na yung resulta nito ay nagsimula din doon sa parameters ng UPER, ng PNP, Unit Performance Evaluation Rating?
Yes, Your Honor.
Na kung saan ang itinuturing ng PNP na the best units, the best officers, yung maraming operational accomplishments at hindi yung peace and order situation sa respective area of responsibility nila. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lilinawin ko lang, base sa performance evaluation rating na pinipatupad ng PNP, mas binibigyan nila ng importance yung maraming accomplishments sa operations.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi yung peace and order situation sa kanilang respective area of responsibility. Tama?
Big yes, Your Honor.
And to clarify this issue, Mr. Chair, kapag chief of police ka ng isang city, peaceful, hindi rampant ang illegal drugs, hindi rampant ang illegal gamblings, no robbery hold-up, no kidnappings, peaceful ang area mo, hindi ka magiging best unit. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, would you agree na dapat, isa sa dapat bigyan ng atensyon ng PNP, itong performance evaluation rating system nila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Na mas pahalagaan yung peace and order situation ng bawat area of responsibility, hindi ang padamihan ng accomplishments?
Yun ang dapat, Your Honor.
More than 20 years ka sa service, would you agree that there are officers na may tinatawag na players
Yes, Your Honor.
para gumawa ng accomplishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. PNP Drug Enforcement Group. In your own opinion, nung ginawa ba ito, nakatulong sa anti-illegal drugs operation ng PNP o nagpalala?
Palala, Your Honor, sa akin.
Would you agree na kaya nagpalala mismong doon sa organization, sila na yung nakipaglaro sa illegal drugs? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dahil sila ay merong authority, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
May personnel,
Yes, Your Honor.
may intelligence,
Yes, Your Honor.
may operational capability,
Yes, Your Honor.
may logistics,
Yes, Your Honor.
may community engagement.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sumasangayon ka ba na dapat walang PIDEG sa PNP
Yes, Your Honor.
para huwag lumakas yung illegal drugs in our country?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sumasangayon ka ba, Colonel Espinido, na mas magiging maganda ang kampanya against illegal drugs kung merong composite group, personnel from AFP, NBI, BID, and PNP to support the PIDEA? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.